What's good, fabulous followers? Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. I had to sit here and think about it. Like, I think I did this while I was waiting on the food to come. But anyway, in case I didn't, I'm just sliding through on you with a quick mukbang and update. My next video was supposed to be a week in my life, but I've been locked down for a week. So, come right back. Like, comment, subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Come right back. Let's have a chit chat about that while I try out some Madison shrimp and crawfish. Y'all know Rockford had me hurting bad. Oh, they shouldn't even call it crawfish. So, fingers crossed. I did my research. People told me to give it a try. I haven't really had no appetite. I guess maybe because of what I've been dealing with. So, I've been really picking over food, and I think my Mother's Day meal lasted me like 3 days. But anyway, I've been sad damn near because I've been wanting some crawfish. So we're going to see what's up and catch up on a few things. Come right back. Peace.
No talking, let the slaughter commence. For those who claim king, but low-key softer than Prince. If we was talking cars, maybe Joker at best. And if so, Heath Ledger, I still...
Alright, like I said, I am giving Ragin' Cajun in Madison, Wisconsin a try for the first time. I was not pleased with Rockford's crawfish, so we're going to see what happens. But, y'all excuse me, I'm at the island, but I don't have the proper chair yet. As some of you know, some of you may not know, I'm really not pleased with this apartment, one. And two, I'm going through a program, whereas now the first class is done. The second thing to do is clean up the credit, go through the home ownership course, and they're going to drop that $15K on me. $15K. So, right now I'm using a stool that I literally brought to stand on from the Goodwill. But I think I'm going to have to go on and order me a bar stool. So anyway, shrimp, crawfish, which is hella small, egg, corn, potato, sausage. I put it in myself because theirs didn't come with none. Seasoning is good. I was kind of nervous because they didn't really give you a chance to pick. Like another place they got here. They got about 4 spots with seafood boils, so eventually I might try them all, but not the crawfish. So first on the docket, that's the ring light. Back light. Lighting look a little off. Anyway, so last Friday, me and a coworker, we just been chit chatting. That's what I don't want to happen. Talked outside of work one time and see if I have my folding tables, my breakfast tables. We could do that. Anyway, I was running to the gas station. She came with me. Next day, she went to visit an elderly man that's getting ready to have surgery. Meanwhile, I guess I should back it up. My job does weekly testing. I like that. Usually we get the results Saturday morning, but we did not get the results until Sunday morning. But even Saturday, I felt fatigued. And I felt like something wasn't right. And I felt horrible because it was Mother's Day Eve and my son wanted to take me out to dinner. One, I wanted to be with my son. Two, I wanted that Papa Dough. Papa Dough. You just don't know how he got saved with that bill. But I know I'm good for a rain check fund. So anyway, I ended up kind of sleeping out Saturday. And I woke up in the middle of the night. And that's when I had my notification. They ain't bad. They just too little. You already don't get that much meat from a crawfish. Ain't nobody got all day. I gotta get down to the south. You know, let's go over to that for a minute. So I guess this could be a bird squirrel moment. My job is off for a month in August. So I figured that's when I take my vacation this year. And the plan last year, which didn't happen, was Mexico, Cabos. But y'all know, I really been thinking, like, when I was in Vegas, I had so much money and so much opportunity. But my anxiety wouldn't let me be great because once I got buzzed too much, I got real conscious of my surroundings and nervous. I'm not trying to get killed, mugged, raped. So I feel like I compromised my fun being solo. Even though solo trips are cool, and you should definitely make it happen. Don't hold on to nobody. Waiting for somebody else. Life will be gone. But in that matter, it just wasn't cool to be alone. So what I said about Cabos is, I might end up feeling the same way. No Mexico suspect anyway. And it's possible. Got a couple of crushes that I may not have to go alone. But as of right now, what I'm thinking, because I'm still too scared for a cruise. With them infection rates. Maybe doing like New Orleans, New York, and New Orleans, New York, and Florida. Just spend a few days at each place and knock them off my bucket list. And put a little hold on Cabos till I give me a boo. I mean, the main things I want to do is zip line, ride the four-wheeler, and be by the water. Lots of water. Which is what I should be outside doing today. So, I don't even know where I left with the story, but early Sunday morning, I found out that my job gave me COVID. 3 years. 2 vacations. I dodged this mess. The school is a super spreader. You can't tell me different. And I should have been like the older women, older black women, when we got our release, to stop wearing masks. First, to take mine off. Them older women did not take their mask off. So guess who ended up with COVID? And I tell you, I felt angry, ashamed. I was so mad at myself that I had to call my friend and tell her, and then to find out that she had been with somebody who was immune compromised, meaning now she was going to have to tell them. And I prayed on it all, but it had me feeling horrible, you guys. Horrible. Like dirty. I really went through. The emotions were so wild. I had to dig out my journal, which I hadn't wrote in since 2 days after I moved in here. That was weird. But yeah, Rona finally got my ass. And I had to thank God once again for all the hell I went through from that second shot, and knowing I'm still had to do the booster because people was literally dying from this stuff. I was watching my breathing real hard. My chest started hurting. I got way too nervous, overthinking stuff. And even though I'm the introverted extrovert, I got bored. Borderline lonely and bored. Just the fact that I couldn't go be around nobody. We know I don't really want to, but it was the couldn't for me. They gave me an option if I ordered from the Ghana. I'll tell them to go a little spicier on my flavor. So that hurt because of everything I just said, and the fact that I couldn't be with my son or my godmom for Mother's Day. So I had to fight through like a little spirit of depression because that got me in the mood. Anyway, on top of not getting to enjoy Mother's Day, I got an invite from a little work crush to hang out. Couldn't even make it happen. Had to take a rain check. And she said, let her know if I needed anything this weekend. No. I'll wait. Get my little sofa. No, but for real. I look forward to us hanging out outside. Ooh. My godson is having a show that I can finally get to next Saturday. I was going to go get my hair cut, but I'm going to wait, which means I might end up buying a hat. But I plan on having a little fun. Usually his shows here in Madison are on weekdays, and I'll be worried about how I'm going to make it to work. But this one coming up is on a Saturday, and I'm going to turn up and kick it and let my hair down or back. I really ain't worried about getting it cut until right before Pride, which when you say that, what do you mean? I think I would definitely be going to Chicago Pride. I think Milwaukee Pride is this coming weekend. It would be nice to hit up New York Pride. I will be getting New York off the bucket list before August. I think there's in June. So there's that to be thought about. Well, nothing. I'm just tired. And you know what? Let me take a praise break right here. This right here is where you gotta shout. I have been having opposition since the time I moved up here. From the extended stay getting over on me, all the times my car done broke down, everything that's went on with my car, riding that bus in the freezing cold some mornings and evenings, dealing with uncertainty every which way. Then boom, my shoulder. Can't even get all the way through the shoulder. COVID. I mean, if y'all don't see how hard the devil coming at me, and yet how good God keep treating me and getting the victory out of all of it. Like this stuff right here. Sometimes I get weak enough to speak my old thoughts. And for that I'm ashamed and sorry. Because baby, the amount of peace I have. Like I had to tell myself when I ordered this meal, because I've been being real tight. I want to pay a couple of my credit things, and working on moving my number. So I done had plenty of issues in the in my checkout cart. They emailed me about plenty of times I was for the order out. Nope. Like that's one thing that only program really helped me with, and I told them that I'm able to think about something I want more, and then I'm okay not getting that smaller thing. Now I ain't gonna lie, I feel like I need one more shoe for my collection to get through summer and my birthday. But yeah, it's crazy because I come from a place where there was no leftover. And God just be showing out. God just be showing out. Like, all you gotta do is watch. You might see him blessing me so good that you forget I was going through something. That's just how good he is. And that's why I do a lot more smiling and praising and a lot less worrying in this stage of my life. Thank you, Jesus, for that. It's a lot of little shrimp. I'm going to have to eat those later. Of course, I'm getting full. It's literally 3:30. Saturday, the 14th. This little spiritual advisor who I watch on YouTube, she was talking about not to do nothing today just because energies is really off. And I looked at Rockford and seen they had a couple shootings. So anyway, I decided that I would go tomorrow, get a load out of my storage, pick up a couple medications I've had trouble transferring. But yeah, I was tired this morning, but I laid back down, got up about 10. And after saying I didn't feel like it about 3-4 times, I ended up cleaning my house. And I said to myself, I done cleaned my whole house, trash and all. They're gonna come up in here with this stinking seafood. So y'all know I'm just gonna take the trash out again. So yeah, missed a week of work. Thank goodness I'll be paid. So your rapper was funny after her. Anyway, That's all I'm on. Trying to enjoy this summer. Trying to go a few places and see a few things. And then work on my credit so I can really enjoy life. Little emails keep alluding to the fact that I'm about to have a partner. We'll see. It's sad to say because I do miss certain aspects. But I don't. Like right now, for example, I'm just keeping it real with you. Bank account, nice. She would need her hair done, her shoes done, pay one of her bills, do something else, go out for a $200 meal. And for what? I mean, yes, if I'm going to meet the woman who poured into me too. But I got a lot to go right now. That's why I said I'm dating my credit score. But I wouldn't mind a little travel buddy, a little cuddy buddy. But he looking like the next person is going to be something serious. I got to make sure I'm ready for serious again. Like, I got to be willing to completely open my heart. No woman deserves to suffer for my past. And the stars say, I'm still going to be saying I do. Because I was about to just let that go. Let that be a fallacy. Oh, and as far as symptoms. So last week, when I went to the emergency room for my arm, they had me with a low-grade fever. I hadn't known anything about that, but I noticed after I left there, I started feeling warm. Isn't that something? So I honestly feel like that was my sign that I either had COVID then, or it was coming on. And when I had myself checked Monday for a fever and I didn't have a fever, I assumed I was good. Monday, Tuesday, because I stayed home that Monday. So, a lot more makes sense. But anyway, I ain't gonna be able to finish this. I guess that's a good thing for $30. It's weird to have this left over though, because warming it up. Anyway, so that's where we at with it. The car is running good. The bills are paid. I wish I had some manpower so that I could just get all my stuff out this storage. Especially my massaging, rocking, heated chair. Still don't know if I'm going to take that in 2 trips in my car or try to get a truck. Not so much more about the automobile, which it is, about the who's going to carry it in and out and in. Anyway, that's where we at with it. Just stay tuned. More content coming. This would have been a beautiful day to hit the city. I've heard they protesting downtown though, the abortion people, so maybe that's why my horoscope told me to stay in. Or the because we're under so one place refers to it as a blood moon, another place refers to it as a flower moon, but the moon is in Scorpio going into Taurus. That's hell right there. So tomorrow is really when you'll start seeing the full moon, but it's not considered full until Monday. Might see it full tonight. And just be easy. Got that going on. We're in the Mercury retrograde. Yeah, I'm stuffed. I think I almost overate. I haven't been eating in so many days. I know you can't tell. That's that bubbly. But like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Stay rocking with me. I appreciate you for it. Namaste.
Stand in line to get some money.
The streets so influential, know the shit you into. You got unexposed potential, but got known credentials. They rolling with you. When you go to jail, they gon' forget you. All he know is hoes and rentals, selling dope suspenseful. My new bitch bilingual, and she like my sing.